Good afternoon, everyone present out here. I, Alankrita of Class 8B, representing Emerald House, is here to represent a poem, and the title of my poem is Towards the Night Before Christmas by Clement Clark Moore. Towards the night before Christmas, when all through the house, not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that St. Nicholas soon would be there. The children were nestled, all snug in their beds, while vision of sugar plums danced in their heads. And Mama in her kerchief and I in my cap had just settled down heads for a long winter nap. When out on the lawn there arose such a clatter, I sprang from the bed to see what was the matter. Away to the window I flew like a flash, tore open the shutters and threw up the sash. The moon on the breast of the new fallen snow gave a lustre of midday to objects below, when what to my wondering eye should appear but a miniature sleigh and 8 tiny reindeers, with a little old driver so lively and quick, I knew in a moment it must be Saint Nick. More rapid than eagles, his coursers they came, and he whistled and shouted and called them by name. As dry leaves that before the wild hurricane fly, when they meet with an obstacle, mount to the sky. So up to the housetop, the coursers they flew, with a sleigh full of toys, and Saint Nicholas too. And in a twinkling, I heard on the roof the prancing and pawing of each little hoof. As I drew in my hand and was turning around down the chimney, Saint Nicholas came with a bound. Thank you.